Hey guys, welcome back to Qara's Kitchen, and today on Cookmas Day 16 we are making these cheddar bay biscuits from Red Lobster. So first we're going to be starting off with some flour, some baking powder, and some salt. Also, you guys, you will need a little bit of sugar. You will see in this video I added it at the end instead of right here with all the other dry ingredients, but just don't forget like I did. And you don't have to go out and buy a blender with the dough attachment. You can combine all your ingredients in the bowl and just use your hands to mix everything up. So once you whisk all your dry ingredients, you want to add in some very cold butter, okay? And emphasis on cold. Now that you got your butter and your flour mixture all blended together, you want to take about a cup of cheese and throw that in there. And I ain't gonna lie, I used a little bit more than a cup, but at least a cup will be just fine. Now you want to go in with a cup of buttermilk and make sure your buttermilk is cold as well. And once you add that buttermilk, you should now have a dough-like consistency. Once that's done, all that's left is scoop a little bit of dough onto your baking sheet and make sure your baking sheet is greased, y'all. And you want to place this in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. So now that your biscuits are done, you just want to take some melted butter, add a little bit of garlic powder and some parsley. I use fresh parsley. If you don't have fresh parsley, use dried parsley. It all works the same. And you just want to spread that all over your biscuits. And now you have Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay Biscuits at home, and it is super good and it tastes just like it, y'all. Look at that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more, and I will see you in my next video.